Hey guys, my name is Joel, and I just wanted to let you know that I went through the Wholesaling Inc. Program, and it was an absolute game changer for me. I started in March of 2019. It is currently January of 2020, and in the last year, I was able to do 12 wholesale deals, picked up 6 rentals, all following the exact steps of the Wholesaling Inc. program, and did about 95,000 in assignments in profit in 2019. I'm looking to double that and keep expanding and growing using the exact principles from the course, and I just followed it step by step. If I can do it, you can do it. It was very easy, very simple, and I would highly recommend the investment into the course for the production it'll produce for you. So needless to say, very excited about it. I know you can have the exact same success, if not much greater. And again, if I can do it, you can do it. Great course, very actionable steps. Progress, not perfection. You just got to keep pushing through it day by day, and it's so much fun to see how everything evolves and comes to fruition. Best of luck to everybody else, and thank you to the Wholesaling Inc. team and everybody involved that was able to help me and guide me and be go-givers to me. And I hope to do the same in the future to give back as well. Thank you guys. Have a good day.